Jyeshtha Kalashtami 2025. Date, timings, significance, and rituals. Devotees observe Masik Kalashtami on the 8th day of the Krishna Paksha each month by fasting and offering prayers to seek the blessings of Baba Kal Bhairav. In the month of Jyeshtha, Kalashtami Vrat will be observed on May 20, 2025. In short, Kalashtami is celebrated on the 8th day. Jyeshtha Kalashtami falls on Tuesday, May 20, 2025. Devotees fast, bathe early, and pray for protection and spiritual growth. Devotees all over India celebrate Kalashtami, a divine Hindu festival for Lord Kal Bhairav, on the 8th day, Ashtami, of the decreasing moon phase, Krishna Paksha, every month. As a fierce and safeguarding avatar of Lord Shiva, Kal Bhairav was revered with the utmost devotion by his admirers, who ask for his blessings for bravery, protection, and spiritual development. It is said that when Kalashtami occurs on a Sunday or Tuesday, the day becomes more powerful and spiritual. Jyeshtha Kalashtami, commonly referred to as Kal Bhairav Ashtami, is going to take place on Tuesday the 20th of May 2025, in the month of May 2025. Kalashtami May 2025, date and tithi timings. Date, Tuesday the 20th of May 2025. Ashtami tithi begins at 5:51 am on May 20th. Ashtami tithi ends 4:55 am on May 21st. Significance of Kalashtami. As mentioned in the Aditya Purana, Kalashtami is of special significance for Shiva devotees, especially for the ones worshipping his fierce form. Kal Bhairav is the god of time. The very name is derived from Kal, i.e., time, and Bhairav, i.e., the fearsome form of Shiva. Legend has it that Kal Bhairav was born out of a divine conflict between the Trimurti Ayuro, Brahma, Vishnu, and Mahesh, Shiva. Shiva, enraged at Lord Brahma's self-importance, took the form of Mahakaleshwar and beheaded Brahma's fifth head, becoming Kal Bhairav. Ever since then, this fierce avatar has been revered as a negative energy shield and egoistic tendency deponent. Kalashtami 2025 Rituals. Devotees celebrate Kalashtami with seriousness, dedication, and fasting. Morning Rituals. Wake up early in the morning before sunrise and have a holy bath. Pray to Lord Kal Bhairav, asking for forgiveness of previous sins and protection from evil forces. Many devotees also do Pitru Tarpan, offering to ancestors, to give peace to their ancestors. Fasting. Fasting on Kalashtami is said to bestow prosperity, happiness, and divine blessings. Some maintain a full day fast, while others take a half fast. Evening Puja. Go to a Kal Bhairav temple in the evening and recite Bhairav Ashtakam, Shiva mantras, or tell the Kal Bhairav Katha. Light lamps offer black sesame seeds, mustard oil, flowers, and sweets. Charity and offerings. Donating food, clothing, and alms to Brahmins is highly meritorious. A special Kalashtami ritual is to feed or donate things like milk, curd, or sweets to black dogs, who are considered Vahana, divine vehicle, of Lord Bhairav. Jyeshtha Kalashtami is more than a ritualistic practice here. It's an insistence on the strength of Shiva to annihilate ego, wash away sins, and provide unflinching protection. In absolute devotion and spiritual purpose, devotees observe this day to seek celestial blessings and inner fortitude in their life.